You know what? Having a positive mindset can change you. Do you feel like changing something but you can't? Maybe you're using the wrong strategy. I used to wake up at 5 a.m. but not anymore. I used to jog every day but hernia stopped me. I used to be an optimist but negative thinking stopped me. Since then, my daily routine had been ruined. My energy level was weakening. My enthusiasm was depleting. I did my affirmations here, incantations there, and listened to my quantum recordings every single day. But it didn't change it. I procrastinate when it's time to create my blog post. I try to be perfect in creating my videos and end up sabotaging my content and sales activities. No, it's not only because my thoughts, beliefs, and values are not yet aligned with my business. There's one piece missing. One tweak that will change everything. One habit I knew I had and was gone, but didn't replace it. A game-changing one. The triad of change. The mind, emotions, and your physical body. It's not enough to shift the meaning in your mind and change your focus, your feelings. I miss the reality of doing it in my physical body. Remember that I used to jog every day but never replaced it? I found the sweetest tweak that suits me well. After I attended my first Unleash the Power Within personal development event by Tony Robbins, since 2022, I have adopted his cold plunge daily habit. My version was a simple one, just a cold shower all year round, even in the winter season. So this year, I brought it up to the next level, a cold bath in my tiny tub. 21 days of habit building. Luckily, I started this summer. It's only around 20 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. While in it, doing my daily regimen of mindset, mindfulness, and manifestation works. And after 21 days, my energy is back and I'm more enthusiastic than before, showing up every day. If this resonates with you, join our webinar tonight, 7 p.m. Japan time. DM us or comment below. Bye for now. Take care and ciao.